Introducing the ultimate Rug Doctor carpet cleaning solution for your home. Our brand new award-winning deep carpet cleaner is here to revolutionize the way you clean your carpets. With its unbeatable features, it's time to say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to fresh, spotless floors. Experience the power of our 1300 watt machine, our most powerful yet. This professional-grade suction effortlessly lifts dirt, allergens and pet hair from deep within the pile of your carpets, leaving them looking pristine and smelling fresh. Our patented dual cross action brush guarantees a deep down, thorough clean, removing embedded dirt, pet dander and debris. Save time by not having to clean the same area and twice with the professional-grade one-pass cleaning power. Our deep carpet cleaner boasts up to 30% more suction power than comparable machines, ensuring a deep clean like never before and even quicker drying times. And with our Super Boost spray, you can tackle those high traffic areas with ease using the targeted stain removal. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to beautifully refreshed carpets. Worried about your upholstery? Don't be. The Deep Carpet Cleaner comes included with an upholstery kit, allowing you to effortlessly clean your furniture, car interiors, stairs and refresh your whole home. Maybe you need a convenient storage solution. Say goodbye to bulky machines taking up valuable space in your home. Our carpet cleaner features a collapsible design, making it easy to store away when not in use. So why settle for less when you can have it all? Experience the cleaning power, convenience and efficiency of our incredible Deep Carpet Cleaner.